In this video lecture, we will learn how to write a C program for exchanging the values of two variables. So, how to swap the values of two variables, we will look into this particular C program. I am using an online compiler, onlinegdb.com, for this particular compilation. You all can use any compilers for your work. Now, how do we go about with this particular program? The basic lines, like for example the header lines, the main function of main, all these I have explained in the previous video tutorial or the video lecture. So hence I won't repeat what does each of this line represent in a C program. So I'll directly start with writing the C program statements, and we have to write in the main function. So first of all, the first line will be the declaration of all the variables which I will be requiring for my program. So this program has to swap two variables, the values of two variables. So let's say those two variables are A and B. Let the data type of these variables be integer. Now the swapping has to be done by using a third variable. So let's name the third variable as t. So the statement of declaration will be declaring all the variables which will be requiring for our C program. Now going ahead with what will be the next line in the C program. The next line should be obviously taking the value of A and then taking the value of B. Since the value should be user entered values, we have to ask the user to enter the values, and we have to store those values in the variables A and B. So let's first take the value of A. So let's write a statement, printf statement, saying enter the value of the variable A. The line should end with a semicolon. Every line in a C program should end with a semicolon. So after the printf statement asking for the value of variable A, you have to store it in some variable. So how does the storing happens? Obviously first you have to mention what kind of data type you are going to be storing that particular variable value into. So %d stands for integer type, and in which variable you will be storing it. So you have to store it in the variable A, this variable. Hence we have to write %A. So this is the way we write the scanf statement. We have looked into the syntax of it the previous class, in the previous video lecture. Now the next line should be to take the input of the second variable with whom we want to exchange the value. So let's call it B. Since we have already declared it as B, we have to use it in this particular statement. So enter the value of the variable B. Every line should end with a semicolon. So after the printf statement obviously should be the scanf statement to store that particular value or to take input of that value. Since B is of the type integer, the variable B is of the type integer, hence we have to use %t, comma, and the address of it, basically where we are storing it. So these lines will take the input of the variable A and B. Now after this we have to do the swapping or the exchanging of the variables. So how do we do that? We have looked into the algorithm and the flowchart for exchanging the values of two variables a and b with using a third variable and without using a third variable. So right now currently we have to use the third variable. So since the variable is t, the equation should be t equal to a. So basically I assign the whatever is in a, I put it in the temporary variable t. Then the second statement would be whatever is there in the variable b, I will store it in the variable a. So this is the statement. The third statement is whatever is there in that temporary variable t should be now stored in the variable b. So this is the third statement. Now after this you have to directly print the values of a and b. Why should we print it? Obviously we won't come to know whether the values have got exchanged or not until unless we print it onto the console or onto the screen, output screen. Hence we have to display. So let's say, let's directly write a equal to percent t because both the values are of the type integer, comma, in the first place a should come, in the second place b should come. So if you see this particular line a equal to %d, what will actually happen is over here the actual value of the variable a will be displayed when you run this statement printf onto in the compiler runs it or executes it rather. So this particular code, what will happen is that the value of b will be printed over here. That's it. So let's run the code. So first of all you have to enter the value of a. So say a is 67 and say b is 45. So after exchanging, a becomes 45 and b becomes 67. So this is how we can print the exchange values of the two variables. So this is how exchanging or swapping of the values of two variables happens. So let's just say we have to make slight modifications in the given program. How will we do that? Suppose say we want to print the values of a and b before swapping and after swapping. How would we do that? Let's just put a printf statement saying before swapping and let's enter it on a new line or else it will be displayed on the same line. Printf, this same line should be actually written over here. So let's just copy paste this line over here and here let's leave a line. /n is a new line character for moving the control to a new line. So let's write over here after swapping and let's leave a line again over here. So what do we get by executing this? Okay, you can see the value of A is again asked. So say A is 34, say B value is 78. So you can see over here this output is organized in a better way. Before swapping and after swapping, you can see the values of A and B. It is very clearly printed onto the screen. So this is how the program, it's a very simple program for swapping the values of two variables, and this is how the code is for the same. You all can try it out on your screens or in your compilers. You can use any compiler for doing this task, and you can try it out and you can check, you can make various changes. Like if you see these two lines I have put separately, whereas this line I have put in one printf statement. So what if I had to write these two lines as one statement? What would I have to do is just remove this as well, and that's it. Two printf statements would be combined into one. So this is the code for doing the swapping of two variables. So this was it for this particular video lecture.